I'm going to show you how to install this stylish Otter Plus Pop Symmetry Series case on your phone. Do you also plan to use either an Alpha Glass or Amplify screen protector? Watch the screen protector installation video first, then install your case. Let's get Otter Plus Pop Symmetry Series installed. Slip the side of your phone into the side of the case, lining up buttons and ports with the case openings. That's it! Your phone is now protected. To remove the case, start by pulling it away from your phone at one corner. Then gently draw it away from your device. Additionally, you can swap out pop-top styles for quick customization. Simply close the pop-top flat, press down, and turn either clockwise or counterclockwise, then remove and swap. If you have a swappable pop grip, just remove the base prior to installing the pop top to your Otter Plus Pop. You're now ready to take full advantage of the kickstand functionality of Pop Top. There you have it, Otter Plus Pop Symmetry Series.